Hi students, class 9, exercise number 5.1, question number 4. Plot the following points in a coordinate plane. Join them in order. What type of geometrical shape is formed? So the two Roman number is given. Let's see the first Roman number. The points are 0, 0, minus 4, 0, minus 4, minus 4 and 0, minus 4. So this is the coordinate plane. The horizontal line is a x coordinate. It is in right hand side we have the positive value, in left hand side we have the negative value in x coordinate, and the vertical line is the y coordinate. Above the x axis is the positive value, below the x axis is the negative value, so we mentioned as a y dash, right? And the scale factor is taken as x axis 1 cm equal to 1 units and y axis 1 cm equal to 1 units. So we entered the units as 1 units. Now we want to plot the given points. The first point is given as 0, 0. Both x and y axis as 0, 0 means that is the origin point. So this is the position of both 0, 0. Origin point is the 0, 0, and the second point is x axis is minus 4, y axis 0. If the x axis minus 4 is, this is the position of minus 4, and y axis is equal to 0 means the point lies in a x axis. So this is the position of minus 4, 0. Next, x axis is minus 4 and y axis also minus 4, both as minus 4. We know that both having negative value means the point lies in a third quadrant. This is the third quadrant. So x axis minus 4, y axis is minus 4 means this is the position. So this is the position of minus 4, minus 4. And then the fourth point is x axis 0, x axis 0, y axis minus 4. X axis 0 means the point lies in a y axis. So this is the position of the point, that is 0, minus 4 is the point. Now join the above points. What figure we get? See, the above points are joined, so we get a square shape. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, the length and the breadth 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 4 means we get a square shape. Length and breadth are equal means we get a square shape. By joining the above point, we get a square shape. We get a square shape by joining the above points. Next we see the second Roman number. See, the second Roman number we have given the point as minus 3, 3, 2, 3, minus 6, minus 1, 5, minus 1. Let's plot the points and find out the figure. Let's take the coordinate plane, that is the horizontal line is x axis and vertical line is a y coordinate plane. Just the scale factor we have to take it as the same, x axis 1 cm equal to 1 unit, y axis 1 cm equal to 1 unit itself. Now we want to plot the points. The first point is minus 3, 3. See, x axis is minus 3. Here we have the x axis 3 and y axis also 3. X axis is minus 3, y axis is plus 3. The position is, this is the position of the point, that is minus 3, 3. And the second point is 2, 3. X axis is 2. See, this is the position of positive value, x axis 2, y axis 3. Now move here upward, we get that the point 3, that is 2, 3. This is the position of the point 2, 3. And the third point, both having the negative value minus 6, minus 1. So x axis is minus 6, y axis is minus 1. This is the position of minus 1, right? So here the point is located, x axis minus 6, minus 1, minus 6 and then minus 1. And then the last point is 5, minus 1. The x axis is 5, positive 5, that is here, and y-axis is -1. This is the position of the point. So this is the position of this point 5 comma -1. Now above point we have to join. See, the above points are joined. Clearly we get a trapezium shape. See, these two sides are parallel. One of the opposite sides are parallel and another sides are not a parallel sides. So we get a trapezium shape. By the result, by joining the above point, we get a trapezium shape. So by joining the above point we get a trapezium shape. This is the trapezium shape, right? Thank you, students.